Jason here with JB Tow, here to demonstrate the use of the Fatboys and a Jerr-Dan. He's had them in here forever, so the caps are off and everything. So these things are ready to ride. So this hole up is how we like to do it here. Slide them bad boys in. So now they're in. 9/16 ratchet. Tightens them down. So we're good to go. We're gonna get set up. We're gonna pick this truck up and show you how much easier it is to load these dual rear wheels or the oversized wheels with a set of Fatboy wheel lift adapters. Not only does it do that, it helps take away from the wear of the L-arms. So I advise leaving these in. He uses them on a case-by-case basis, but it's an operator's preference. So let's do this. All right, we're gonna get set up to pick this truck up. If I'm on my way and I know I'm gonna get a big vehicle, I'll go ahead and preset these. 9/16 right, or socket and ratchet. 9/16 socket. Out. Snug them up a little bit. Now they're locked and loaded, ready to pick up whenever you're ready to grab. Dualies, big fat rear tire, whatever. Now, if you look, both sides, not a problem. That was a, and the nice thing about my wheel lift adapters is they're adjustable while they're in. You can take your ratchet, slide them in or out while the truck is loaded. So that's where I'm going to want it. I always snug mine down. Some people don't, some people do. So that is going to be nice. Sticked out past the tire, which you can get your strap in there nice. All right, everybody. This is one thing that the wheel lift adapters come in nice for. You don't have to use the factory Jerr-Dan strap. You got the little hook right here. Hooks in nice. You ain't got to use that Jerr-Dan strap nobody likes. And this goes back on this side. Right there like that. You come over the top. See, that's hooked in there like that. Stretch your strap out. And now you got your snap hook like that, going over the top of the tire, coming over like this, and then there's your hook in there. So you're all secured. Strap is good. Look at that. It's nice and tucked. That's it. Nice and secured. Nothing does it better. Nothing does it safer than Fatboy wheel lift adapters. JBTow.com. Come get your best products made right here in America. Slow down, move over. You'll save a life, and it's the law.